for yourself first. The show only starts at 6 o'clock, so you don't need to rush to queue. You'll be like somewhat under the hot sun. So please go inside the Kallang Wing Mall and buy food and drink for yourself. Yeah, because I can see there are a lot.
Beyond connection, beyond technology.
But then later when they are playing the fireworks, great.
Yes, I see a lot of you. Right, a lot of them. What are you doing, Udara?
Doing very well, National Stadium top motivators. Thank you very much. We'll see you back on stage later on. Now, let's take a look at the video.
To the commissioned officers, and they are escorted by specialists and military experts. Leading the Colors Party is Colors Regimental Sergeant Major, military expert 4, Lee Sai-Chin, weapons control system expert, 8th Flotilla. Accompanying them are the 6th Guard of Honor contingents, proudly formed by the Singapore Army, the Digital and Intelligence Digital Control, Red Cross Youth, National Police Cadet Corps, One Team Singapore from Sport SG, St. John Brigade Singapore, National Cadet Corps C. Entering from the yellow sector, our National Cadet Corps Land. Singapore Scouts Association. National Trades Union Congress. Girl Guide Singapore. EAP Community Foundation. Women's Brigade Singapore. Boys Brigade in Singapore.
Give it up for the built floats with visionaries who are constructing a more inclusive, sustainable and resilient future for all Singaporeans. Wu Lai Lin, securing our long-term water needs with the deep tunnel sewerage system. Sheila Manukaran, empowering youth with practical industries. It's about relationships and community. Give it up for our builders. Let's welcome the care floats with individuals nurturing the health and well-being of Singaporeans. Anita's personal hurdles to provide care for the elderly. Every small act of kindness makes a difference, so let's keep showing up for each other. Thank you, carers. Finally, we have the Justice Floats, commemorating 200 years of the 1826 Second Charter.